Well, that's definitely not an Impala. But I just want to show something real fast. Yeah, this is a Super Cobra jet on a Ford here, short box. So, just a little teaser what's going to be in some ride videos. Okay, at the 58 Impala. Let's see here. Same body style and everything. Some of your support brackets underneath are actually starting to rot out on this, I saw.
Actually, it needs redone.
Yeah. Starting to almost look like my Biscayne.
You can tell from the outside of it if you look at it.
Yeah, she's, I also noticed.
It was really going to get redone.
Yeah, I noticed she's starting to rust here too. Unless if our YouTube gets going more, and I'll actually get this off you for what? How much did you say? 35, 40?
35.
35, yeah.
These go to way high. You see them in the book?
Yeah, I know. It's starting to chip a little bit more.
That's without mine.
Yeah, she's starting to rot a little.
This one's good.
This doesn't start up, does it? Or is it battery dead?
Battery, it's probably dead. I know the brakes need it, but I need to show them that's not bad sitting here.
Oh, really? And how long did you have this?
3 or 4 years, maybe 5.
Okay. I'm mainly after these areas right here, since mine are rotted out. So I wanted to see them what they look like, since she's still kind of decent. Yeah, whoops, I didn't mean to jerk the camera here. Yeah, same kind of X-frame. So I guess the X-frames are all the same thing from one another on 58, I guess.
Yeah, all except the convertible.
Really? Huh. Oh, okay. Oh. So where's the... Yeah. Go past the cord here. See if we can get better light. Yeah, 'cause this is a huge learning experience. Because the only difference between these bodies, I guess, is the chrome, the roof, and of course the chrome package, because you know it's Impala, and I got the Biscayne. Let's see here. Let's see what we got going on here. Interesting. It's all open there? I guess it is, huh? Let's see about the other side. Okay. That's what it looks like. Of course, get that infamous shot. Yeah, because this is on reserve. So if I can get going more here on YouTube, they'll sell it to me. I could have 2 58s. Yeah. Man. Look underneath here. Oh man, here's that infamous rear end too. Okay. So that is an interesting setup. Why aren't you looking for a Galaxy? Because you know that's what I'm only familiar with. Mine has the wheel well right here. This one doesn't. Is it coming on the opposite side? No. Interesting. So let's see about that. Oh no, there's a wheel well. It's right there. I'm just an idiot today. Yeah, right there's the wheel well. But this one's been cut. What? Yes, look at that. Someone cut that. Oh. No wonder I wasn't looking. No, I'm not an idiot after all. Someone just cut it down. Look at this. It's got indentation too right here. Just like the...
He offered
huh?
He offered a car hauler for $2,000.
Where?
Sitting over there in the bullpen. Yeah, it's a shorter deal. It's shorter than his big ones that runs. It's dually, the guy took the back duals off and needs a PTO cable.
You know how to do those PTO cables, don't you?
Just got to look it up.
Yeah. Well, you and Dad knew about that stuff.
But if you want to look at it, if you want to go 50-50 on it, but he
yeah.
hasn't gotten the title yet.
Okay. Yeah, if that's yeah, because we'll need that for a lot of stuff too. Because that one car that's in that field over there, that I don't want to spoil anything. Because next year when things get going a little bit more, I'm going to get that one car if he's still, if his brother still has it, if it's not a parts car. Remember I told you that the roof was possibly cut off? It's not.
You talking about over there by the hills?
Yeah, that one that I don't want to mention just yet to everybody. I want to keep that a secret, just in case, yeah. So, because that's the one that I want to collect and restore as well. So, go back underneath here. So I guess we're gonna mosey on over. So I pretty much got what I wanted, especially the rocker pans. Okay. But yeah, next year, well, he's gonna hold this. It's on reserve for me. He wants 35 grand for it. He's not offering this to sell to nobody else except for us. And if once we get going good, I could get this off of him. So I really hate to ask this, but just pass stuff around, help us grow in subscribers and everything, because I can't shell out 35 grand right now, and I'm the only person that he's offering to sell this to, nobody else, because since him and I are family. So I mean, it'd be another 58 in the collection, and it needs to be redone, as we all looked underneath, because this is an automatic, has the factory 292 or whatever it is. I'm sorry, I can't remember what it is now, but it needs to be redone too. And then she'll stay original. Nothing will be done on this. I'd probably update the lights and such, but yeah, go back to looking, because in the spring, this is real. See that right there? He's gonna give a ride to us in the spring. This is a Super Cobra jet. It is a real 428 Super Cobra jet that goes to this Ford. And again, of course, nice little Falcon that he has. Okay. That blue one there? All right, wind sound warning. And for that reason why it sold, because of him.
Yeah, I just had to say.
Yeah, so he's the proud owner of that that Jaguar, the 74, right?
74.
Yep. And it's XJ6L, and that's being restored. Doesn't need much done to it.
No, I just need the tune-up kit and the tank spoiled out because they smell like turpentine.
Yeah. And
It has 2 gas tanks.
yeah, and the thing is, the original owner, he was starting to work on it, and I don't know if I explained this in the other video when I was first showing it, but the original owner just started to work on it. I guess the next morning during breakfast he had a massive stroke. He survived it, but he had to get rid of it because he couldn't do nothing to it anymore. So, ooh.
Might need a new winch because it's all cracked in the bearing housing.
Oh yeah? Well, let's go around here. Hi, Duke. I like to pet you, but you're nasty.
They took the second tire off of the dualies.
Well, we can get one on because he's got stuff down there for him.
Floor is a little rough, so that's.
Oh yeah, this is. Yeah, this would be able to haul stuff.
It's a shorter bed than his, but.
Yeah, it's the same frame length, isn't it?
No, this is shorter.
Okay, so you're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. I want to pet him, but he's not the friendly type. Well, and he says it runs?
Yeah.
Oh, they converted it into a stick. I have to see why the. Oh, it's all down there. It's a custom. 75?
I think so.
Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, seat's not folded down. What's he got for an engine, did he say?
I didn't ask.
I'll have to ask. Oh yeah, that's 75. Maybe. I can never could tell in the mid-70s.
I keep getting.
Oh, you're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy, but I'm not petting you. Yeah. Lock gas cap on it.
I don't know why you took the dash apart.
I don't know either. $2,000, huh? Have to see why there's oil leakage down right there. Could be something simple. Well, what are your thoughts then on it?
I wouldn't be afraid to tackle it.
No. It wouldn't be either. I mean, because all the weight of the car would be up in the front. Could always get a bigger deal on it. Because I also want to mock his setup on his white rollback for our trailer in the future, a dually. Except that'd be for the diesel once we get him back going. Alrighty, so there's this video. Hope y'all enjoyed looking at the Impala, and I guess we're going to be getting that. Going to record another video just in case, because the weather's going to get pretty nasty. So I want to end this video there. So, but yeah, if we get going better, 35 grand for the Impala, and he's not selling it to anybody else. People have come and tried, still no. Someone's even offered him 60 grand once, and he says no. Says he wants to have the car go to family. So I will let you all go. So y'all have a good night, take care and stay safe. See you later.